Very good morning to all. In previous lecture, we had completed our chapter 7, that is Journey of Food. And in that lesson, we had seen a different type of region people eat different type of food according to their festive occasion. Now, our today's new lesson is that chapter 8, Human Teeth and Tongue. Here, in our adult human beings having a 32 sets of teeth, and out of that 32 sets of teeth, not all teeth are working same. Different type of teeth, front 4 teeth in upper jaws means okay, and front 4 teeth in lower jaws are working separately. Teeth side up upper jaws and lower jaws side teeth are working differently. Cutting and biting the food, chewing the food, grinding the food. Okay, these all works are done separately by different type of teeth. So here in this lesson we learned in detail about our teeth, kinds of teeth, and our tongue. Okay, what is the function of our tongues? Which kinds of teeth are located in our mouth? Okay, so according to this lesson, we learned about that 3 topics. Now, we can continue and move on our main topic. Our mouth contains, pay your attention, our mouth contains 2 main parts, teeth and tongue. This is our mouth, okay? And how many main parts are they located? Otherwise contained, okay? Teeth and tongue, okay? Contained. Underline the spelling of contain. Our mouth contain means हमारे mouth के अंदर located. Otherwise हमारा mouth किससे बना है? What are their 2 main parts is located in our mouth, that is called contain. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-S, contains. Underline the spelling of contains means located. 2 main parts, that is teeth and tongue. This part help us to talk, taste and eat food. Okay, first of all, when we eat the food, put the food into the mouth. Teeth and tongue helps together to chewing and biting the food. Teeth help us to bite, cut and chew. Bite means when you have to eat whole biscuit, whole bread, whole chocolate. So you have to make it converted into the pieces, that is called bite. Okay, cut, usko cut करने का, because whole roti is not able to go in the esophagus. आपके माउथ के अंदर, गले के अंदर, नेक के अंदर जो esophagus है, ओके, और विंड पाइप है, ट्रेकिया है. esophagus means फूड पाइप. इसोफेगस मीन्स फूड पाइप, जिसके थ्रू आपका फूड माउथ में से वो वेन थ्रू वो पाइप थ्रू स्टमक में जाता है. दिस पाइप इज कॉल्ड एसोफेगस, अदरवाइज फूड पाइप. तो वो फूड कब आपकी पाइप में जाएगा? बिकॉज योर पाइप इज टू स्मॉल एंड टू थिन लाइक योर हेयर. इतनी पतली पाइप है कि होल food are not get insert and swallow in the stomach. आपके आप directly उसको गल नहीं सकते हो. It is cut, bite and chew. आपको उसको chew करना पड़ता है. Okay? Tongue help us to taste the food we eat. The food is salty, spicy, sour, sweet. How you can identify? How you can recognize the taste of food? With the help of our tongue. Next, our teeth, which our today's main topic. Teeth are an important part of our body. Pay your attention. Teeth are an important part of our body. Underline the spelling of important, because without teeth, how we can see how our face look like. Without teeth, our face shape is not proper. Due to only the teeth, we can look like a beautiful shape on our face. Okay, so this is first important. Second, teeth help us to cut, bite and chew the food. They give us shape our face. Okay, why it's the most important organ of our body? Because first of all, our face is look beautiful due to only the teeth. Because teeth का जो shape है, इसकी वजह से हमारा face shape में है. They help us not only to chew our food, but also to speak clearly. Underline the spelling of clearly. Underline the spelling of clearly. Speak clearly. Due to teeth, our tongue touch to our teeth when we speak. Okay, and that is why we can hear clearly. Our teeth are made up of calcium. Underline the spelling of calcium. Calcium is a mineral. Calcium is a mineral which we obtain from green leafy vegetable and milk. Okay, तो मिल्क के अंदर एक ऐसा सल्फर है कैल्शियम नाम का. ओके, इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. विटामिन ए, विटामिन बी, विटामिन सी, ओके, फॉस्फोरस, सल्फर, कैल्शियम, दिस ऑल आर vitamins and minerals. Out of that all, calcium is one type of mineral which we obtain from green leafy vegetable and milk. Because our teeth are made of calcium, और कैल्शियम जो हमारी बॉडी में कम है तो we start paining our bones, because all the disease related to bones occur due to lack of calcium. हमारी बॉडी में अगर कैल्शियम कम है, calcium is a mineral which obtained from different type of food. Okay, so underline the spelling of calcium is a one type of mineral. We get two sets of teeth in our life. These are temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Underline the spelling of temporary. Once teeth start growing after a age of 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, 12 months, okay, and up to 6 years completely teeth start growing, okay, and start falling after 6 years. जो टेम्पररी टीथ थे वो 6 इयर्स के बाद स्टार्ट फॉलिंग हो जाते हैं. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आफ्टर 6 to 8 hours all teeth are replaced, otherwise new, that is permanent teeth. So here underline two spelling, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, chalo. Now next, here we can move temporary teeth. सबको कंपलसरी अंडरलाइन करनी है टेम्पररी और परमानेंट. नाउ मैं डिटेल में आपको समझा रही हूँ व्हाट इज टेम्पररी टीथ एंड व्हाट इज परमानेंट टीथ. चलो, फर्स्ट वी लर्न टेम्पररी टीथ. अ न्यूबॉर्न बेबी डज नॉट हैव एनी टीथ. फर्स्ट बेबी, he or she born, she or he does not teeth in his or her mouth. Okay, a newborn baby does not have any teeth. The first tooth appear at the age about a 6 month, and till that the baby do not eat any hard item, okay, like biscuit, and that is why your mother is giving the biscuit or any type of powder to make a paste in the milk, okay, और राइस और दाल का पाउडर बनाती है मिक्सी में, okay, और make it paste in a water or a milk, and then when it is in a liquid form give to his or her as a form of food, because he or she does not have any teeth. But the first tooth appear at the age of about 6 months. After 6 months start growing up teeth in his or her mouth. By the age of 2 to 3 years, a child has 20 primary teeth. Okay, up to 6 months start growing first teeth, second teeth, third, 4, 5, 6 teeth. Okay, so all the tooth, more than one teeth are together, it's form a tooth. T-O-O-T-H. Okay, so when age of 2 to 3 years, till that the baby has developed that 20 प्राइमरी टीथ. फर्स्ट प्राइमरी टीथ जो बेबी को चूइंग करने के लिए, बाइटिंग करने के लिए और सॉफ्ट खाना खाने के लिए जरूरी होता है, दैट स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग, विच आर ऑल्सो नोन एज मिल्क टीथ और अ टेम्पररी टीथ. ओके, मिल्क टीथ और अ टेम्पररी टीथ. मिल्क टीथ, व्हाई मिल्क टीथ? Because on that time the baby do not eat a hard food. Okay, hard food like papad, papdi, biscuit, hard apple. Okay, उसको पेस्ट बना के देना पड़ता है. टीथ मिल्की टीथ होते हैं. और टेम्पररी, आफ्टर समटाइम्स व्हेन she or he grown up, age of 5 to 6 years, start falling down this 20 temporary teeth.